This video shows you how to record yourself practicing while an accompaniment recording from your lesson plays. Log into your student account and click on Lessons. Here is an accompaniment I'm going to use. While this accompaniment plays, I'm going to record myself singing a vocal warm-up exercise that goes with it. So you find the lesson recording that you want. You click the record button. I'm going to make a video recording. Whenever possible, use video. And then you will see a video screen. This is the screen that is going to capture my video recording. Up here is the accompaniment recording from the lesson that I wish to play while I sing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click record to start my practice recording. I see that the numbers are moving, so I know it's working. Then I'm going to click play, and the recording will start. Okay, that can continue like that. Then I press this to stop the recording. If I want to delete it right away, I can do that. If I want to save it, I click the save button. I'm just waiting for it to process the playback. And now my video is here. I can listen to my practice session. I see that the numbers are moving, so I know it's working. Then I'm going to click play, and the recording will start. Okay. So that is how you record yourself over a recording.